back to our channel, Rivera Family 5, and today I have a DIY, something new. As you guys know, October 31st is Halloween, so I'm gonna be making these ghost lollipops. As you can see, I got the idea off of Pinterest. You can use coffee filters if you don't want to use tissue paper, as in like facial tissue. But this is the items that you guys would need. This is optional, but I got these at Walmart. These little Halloween themed buckets. This one says trick or treat, and this one just says happy Halloween. This one's Isaiah's, this one's Allison's. So I'm making both my kids some of the lollipops, the ghost lollipops for their class. So I'm gonna put in, I'm gonna do 24 in each, or 23 lollipops in each, or 24. I'll do 24 lollipops in each. I do have, you will need blow pops or any kind of lollipops they like. They have like the Tootsie Rolls, the ones with the chocolate in it, but I feel like the kids might not like that. So I was like, let me just get them some blow pops. So I'm getting them some blow pops. Yes, I did ask their teachers. They said it was fine. You do need some ribbon. Ribbon, you can use black or orange. I went ahead and did black. You do need some little small rubber bands. These you're not gonna worry about, the color showing through the tissue because you're gonna wrap it with the ribbon. You do need scissors to cut your ribbon, Sharpie to write on your tissue paper, make the little eyes and the little mouth. And here's my tissue paper. So all of this came from Walmart. So let's get started and let me show you how to do this. So you see how this is sticking up? So what you want to do is just put the tissue paper on top and just kind of fold it like this. You see? And then you will just add a little rubber band around. I use like 2 tissue papers on here. Just like that. You see? It's looking like a little ghost. And I'm gonna get my ribbon. And just wrap it around your little ghost. Make it a little, add like a little bow. You see? Now, time to draw the face. Let's see how this goes because I've never done this. I don't know if it's gonna look weird. You see the little ghost? That's how you make a ghost lollipop. It's a really, really cute idea I found on Pinterest. So I'm gonna finish up making all of these, and then I'll show you guys the results. I mean, it's gonna look like this, but you know, so just so you have an idea what it looks like a basket with a lot of bees in it. I think it's so cute. This is my first attempt, you guys, so I think I did pretty good. So yeah. Alright, you guys, so I finished making the ghost lollipops, and I actually made 24 each, so it's a total of 48 ghost lollipops. And let me tell you, it's a lot to do, but it distracts me in a way. I feel peaceful making them, stress-free. I like doing like little DIYs if it comes to my kids too. Like for their school or any type of DIY, I just get into it so much that I just, you know, I don't care anything around me if there's something, you know, because I, like, you know, sometimes when you're a mom, you do get stressed, like with the kids especially. So it's like I have a baby at home and he's walking now, so I let him do his thing, like walk. I'll put him a movie on and I just sit here and just relax and do this little DIY for the kids. But I do have, I'm gonna show you guys how many candies I have left that I did not do, and I'll probably save those like to give to my kids like as a treat, like if they're good or whatever. But yeah, let me show you. So this is all my trash right here. I did end up using 2 of these ribbons. So I still have some left over and I have a full one. So here's the empty one, the trash. So I did have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lollipops left. A whole bunch of these. You can save these and do whatever. Or you can use them on your child, like me. And I have ribbon left over. I do like to make ribbons for Allison. Some like hair bows, I mean. I have a whole bunch of tissue left. So, here's Allison's container for school. And here's all her little ghosts, you guys. And there's 24 of them. So, here they are. The little ghosts. I mean, yes, my eyeballs are not perfect. It's kind of hard to draw with the Sharpie on tissue paper. Most likely these tissues are gonna go straight to the trash because they're only gonna care for the candy. But since it's Halloween themed, I wanted to make it extra nice, extra special, extra cute for the kids. So yeah, you just, let's see, let me find one. Okay, so I do 2 layers of tissue paper, and all you have to do is just wrap it and put ribbon on it and paint your little face on it, and it's a little ghost lollipop. You see, there's a lollipop stick. That's a cute DIY, you guys. So that's Allison's. And over here, it's Isaiah's. And I have 25 in here as well. Oh, sorry, you guys. Okay. So there you go. Really cute, you guys. I made a total of 50 lollipops. So 25 in each bucket for each of their class. And yeah, I know the kids are gonna love it. I mean, who doesn't like blow pops, right? I mean, especially because they have gum in it. So I know the kids are gonna be very excited, and I like doing little things like that, especially when they're kids, because I think it's fun, you know. And I did put a lot of effort in it, just because they're kids. I care about the kids, and kids get excited when they see stuff like decorated or something like they've never seen before, stuff like that. And yeah, so I know they're gonna be excited when they open their little lollipops. But yeah, that's a quick DIY, you guys, that I made. It might have took me like 30-40 minutes to do all of them, but I mean, it's worth it. So it's a quick little DIY, really easy to make. And I hope you guys try it. Maybe well, tomorrow is Halloween, but maybe for next year you guys have a good DIY idea for Halloween. So make sure to always like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Rivera Family of 5. Until next time, bye.